Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my channel. And for today's video, I am on the way to our chicken coop. As you can see, I am outside and I'm gonna show you my vegetables, the one we planted last month. So this is the eggplant here. Oh, that's a lot of eggplant here now. Look at that. This is the eggplant. As you can see, there's many eggplant now, and there's more over here. There's more over here. And this is the okra here. The okra. It's not been bearing yet. And there's more kalamungay tree and okra over there. So most of them here, we cook it, and especially the eggplant, sometimes we grilled it, and also the kalamunga, we make a soup on it together with the okra or the ladyfinger. So in the other side of our chicken coop, we have a lots of vegetables also here. So I'm gonna show you right now. So we have a lot here. We have some spinach. So over here, there's more eggplant. And over here, this is the palaya. That's palaya there, that better taste vegetables that my husband's one of his favorite. You just cook it with egg and fried it with garlic and onions, together with garlic and onions. And this is, we call this one alugbati. So we already cooked this one because it's already you can use it now, because just need to get the leaf, or this one, the leaf, and it's really good. You just cook it together with kalamungay, so you make soup on it, and also you can fry it together with onions and garlic, and just put a little bit of soy sauce. So we have a lot of palaya there, and we have some squash that is not been growing yet. But in the other side, one of our neighbor planted some squash on this side here. There's a lot of squash, but I don't see. It's almost, because it's been, some of them are bloom already. So there's a lot of squash. This is at the back of our chicken coop. So let's go to the chicken coop. So as you can see that the ground is very wet, because it's been raining here lately almost every day, because there's a typhoon, and just almost every day it's been raining here. Oh, so this one over here, the net of our chicken coop, as you can see, it's broke. So it's really, it's not so strong, so it's because of the rain and shine, it give up. So we replaced them like this. It's more stronger than the plastic one, so we need to replace. We already bought that metal, and we're gonna replace it like this, because this is more stronger. So it's not been like 3 months. It's not really strong. So we're gonna check it. We're gonna check the chicken. Need to be careful because it's very slippery. As you can see, the ground is very wet. So the chicken are waiting for me. So my husband not able to visit here this afternoon because It's very slippery for him. I just don't want him to be fall down. It's not safe because it's really slippery. The ground is so slippery. Hi there. So I'm here right now at the chicken coop. Hi. So we already give them some foods this afternoon, but I gave them some treats. So I need to give them some small treats this afternoon. Hi. So we normally put the foods in the container with cover on it because they're gonna get inside if we not always cover the container. They always go inside that container, so we make sure that we cover it all the time. So I have the foods here, the treats, so I'm gonna give to them. So I'm gonna set down the chair there, the white chair, and give it to them. How are you? So we only have small over here because some of our chicken, we quarantine it because they're not feeding good. Look at that. They're enjoying this foods. See, there's a lots of greens on it. Some green peas, beans, corn, different kinds of greens. They love that. Look at that. Okay. Daddy miss you all. My husband said that need to tell the chickens that he missed them. Your daddy miss you all. You not be able to visit here because its ground is so slippery. Daddy said hello. Here. I put it in the palm if they can eat. Here, okay. So yesterday I'm not able to visit here in the coop because Virgil have some activity there in the school that I need to attend, and also the program ends late around 5 p.m. So I'm not able to visit here because it's almost 6:30. We arrive here because we've been my husband and Virgil been eating there in La Playa Beach Resort in the restaurant. I let them eat their dinner, Virgil and my husband, because it's so late if I cook. Yeah, they love that foods there. Hello, that's the white selkie there. Sorry, the cam. So that's Little John, the roaster. So probably next month we'll be having some of our chicken. We'll lay some eggs maybe by next month. We're excited for that. I'm gonna give them also some of our chicken there in the roaster pan. They always hungry even though we already feed them this afternoon. Spoiled chicken. They're very spoiled. Hi there. So this is our chicks in this side here in the pullet pen. This seems okay. As you can see, they're very okay. Hi. Hi guys. Hi. So we only have 7 chicks here. So this is very pitiful because she have a problem on her legs. It's not been straight, and she have a difficult to walk. Hi, but she's a fighter. Look at that. She have a hard time to walk because over her legs is not straightened. Hey, come here. Come here. Mommy not gonna hurt you. Come here. Look at that. Hi guys. Say hello. So we have 18 chicks in the brooder box right now, and we're gonna transfer maybe after 1 month, and we're gonna give them some vaccine. We're gonna have some vaccine before we transfer here. We're not able to give them some vaccine yet because we need to wait for the second batch of our eggs to hatch, so that we have many, because you know the vaccine it will handle 1,000 chickens, so we just wait for that to the other eggs to hatch so that we can do it all together. This seems to be healthy, thankfully. So we have over here that we quarantine this area here. They have that cold. So over here. So this is the 1 week quarantine. So they have that cold, and also their face, some of them are swelling. Hi. Mama's here. Mama is here. So even though that they sick, but they still have that appetite to eat. So that's good that they're able to have that appetite to eat. And we have some eggs today. I think five eggs we collect today. So we have some of this side here that we quarantine. This is we separate them because this one over here is the one have that very bad cold over there. So they have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. 9 chickens that we put on this side because they have that cold that it's been causing their eyes also to swell. Hopefully that they will get better. We also give them some medication to take, and also we put some medication on their water. It's like an antibiotic. So I not want to go inside because I just don't want to step their inside, because I don't want that I get of their illness. I step some of their cold and spread to the other chickens who are outside. I just let my friend Bastion to go inside and make sure that she puts some alcohol and sanitized also the feet, because it's It's really hard that our chickens will always get sick. We just need to be careful. Hi! Just strolling around. Hi! We used to have a lots of hair. But hopefully that some of them will get better soon so that they can go out and walk around here. Look at that. They're still waiting for the foods. So this is the one we bought today. That screen, that metal screen that we replaced. So it's 15 meters. So we bought 15 meters that it be covered to that side there, that the one it's broken. So we're gonna replace it with this metal screen. So also we bought a nest last month. This month we're gonna put it. We need to get ready for this for next month because some of our chicken will be starting to lay some eggs next month. So we bought 15 pieces of that. So we bought that in San Carlos. It's not really expensive. It's like about 80 pesos for one nest. And it's not so, it's very strong also. Hopefully that it will last long. They've been playing. The sunshine. It's been raining this afternoon and there's a little bit of sunshine. Hey. There you go, Jan. Little Jan. So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for the love and support and for all the nice comment. I really do appreciate all of you for all the nice comment and for all my new subscribers out there. I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos. So I'm gonna upload more videos again soon. So thank you so much again for watching. God bless us all, guys.